What I'm about to demonstrate in this video is literally one of the easiest ways to get paid when it comes to affiliate marketing. So I want you to watch very closely at what I'm about to do, because I'm not about to pay for anything, but I'm about to make somebody else money. You see I'm on a page right here. It says Funnel X Advanced. You're probably going to see it here in a second. I want you to watch very, very closely. I'm going to come right here, put my name, my last name in there. I'm gonna put my email address, put my birthday year, because you have to be at least 18. So it took me to a page like this. What I'm gonna do is activate the account I just created by going to my email, and I'm gonna log in. All right, so I'm logging in with the username and password they sent me in the email address. All right, I'm gonna press login. Boom. The process you just seen me go through made somebody else $1. I didn't buy anything. That wasn't complicated. Yet somebody on the other end of their affiliate link to this system just made money off of me. Funnel X Advance is a part of the Funnel Express system that I've been talking about. And I don't talk about this part of the system a lot, but I'm going to start talking about it a little bit more because, I mean, it just makes sense. It can help a lot of people get their foot in the door of making money quickly. So Funnel X Advance is a CPA program, okay? Literally how it works is once you go through the same exact process I just went through creating my account, you just promote the affiliate link up here, which I'm about to literally do another demonstration of exactly how I'm doing it. When people create an account under you with Funnel X Advance, you make $1 per person who does that. Now, that may not sound like a lot of money. As somebody who has had some pretty good success with CPA programs in the past, I know how fast that can build up. And for those of you out there doing affiliate marketing, getting traffic to things, getting leads to systems that, people aren't, buying right away, sometimes it's a little bit of a struggle. With a CPA offer like Funnel X Advance, you're able to make money on the front end off of leads, whether they buy something from you or not. Now, what's awesome about Funnel X Advance is they do have different levels. If you decide to upgrade, you make money off of that too, which is kind of rare in CPA programs, which is amazing. Let me show you how easy it is to start getting leads, okay, with this program. So made a post in a social media group here, and I got some people showing interest for Funnel X Advance. So I'm going to go ahead, literally like their comments, message them. I've done this before in the past with a CPA offer that ended up making me a lot of money, okay? So I'm going to message this person that has some interest. Literally, I just copied my link in, where is it? Up here, where it says your link to promote is. Sent them a message with my link in here. I'm going to press enter, and there we go. I'm going to go back to the post, inboxed you, right? I'm going to go to this person, add his friend, message, copy and paste that message with the link, go down the comment, inboxed you. Now I'm going to go on to some of the next ones, message, this next one. I'm going to go ahead and message again, copy and paste that message. So you're starting to probably get the picture. I'm not going to bore you with literally showing me copying and pasting every single thing. I have sent messages now to over 15 people because just on this post alone, I think I've got 7 comments, and I've got several comments here that a lot of people are starting to really comment on. I know that through the night, I'm going to get more comments. When I wake up, I'm going to have some people to respond to. That's a potential $15 in. Literally, it didn't take me almost any time to do what I just did. If you're somebody trying to get your foot in the door, being able to make 10 bucks a day, 20 bucks a day, even 30 bucks a day is extremely easy just with this method alone. Each person that clicks on the link and literally goes through that process, which is extremely easy, they're going to get in. I'm going to get $1 for each person. And just like I was saying, like there are other levels, like if you want to make even more money, I'm going to make money when people start upgrading to these levels. And the reason why I'm so confident in this is because, like I said, people love the idea of CPA marketing. They love it. It is super fast. Anybody can get really, really good results with a CPA marketing offer. So people have no problem investing money in a CPA. So you're not only making money on the front end, but also in the back end, and it's fast. And it literally will take less than an hour for you to do this every single day. Anytime I do CPA marketing, Facebook is one of the biggest traffic sources for any CPA offer that I'm with. When you get in this program, if you decide to upgrade to any of the levels, I'll give you some copy and paste ads from me and a bunch of other marketing training that you can use for Funnel-X Advanced to make some money. This is actually one of the income streams within Funnel Express. So you can promote Funnel-X Advanced by itself. You can just sign up for it and just do that. If you wanted to actually promote the super funnel that has Funnel-X Advanced as an income stream and you're promoting it to people, you'll have 6 other ways you can earn. You can do it that way as well. I'll talk a little bit more about that in other emails. Anyways, for now, there should be a button on this page or a link in my video description below you can click on to check this out, sign up, and I'll talk to you soon.